In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize shapes using the versatile rectangle tool or its counterpart, the rounded rectangle tool in your software's toolbar. This tutorial will guide you through every step of the process, ensuring you create exactly the shape you need with precision. First, let's begin by selecting either the rectangle tool or the rounded rectangle tool from your toolbar. Now, depending on your version of the software, in the options bar, you may notice a section that allows you to set a corner radius right from the get-go. If this feature isn't available, don't worry. You can always adjust the corners after drawing the shape. Go ahead and draw your shape. For those who want the flexibility to adjust corners even after drawing, make sure to use a live shape. This means creating a shape on a shape layer as opposed to a plain pixel layer. Using a shape layer keeps your corners editable and allows for greater modification down the line. Now, let's move on to adjusting the corners of your shape. If you want rounded edges, hover over one of those little corner widget circles you'll see on the shape itself. Simply click and drag to increase or decrease the rounding of the corners. It's a very intuitive way to experiment with the shape until it looks just right for your project. Alternatively, if you prefer precision, you can open the Properties panel. To access this, navigate to the top menu, choose Window, and then select Properties. In this panel, you'll find options to enter exact radius values for each corner. This approach is particularly useful if you have specific design requirements. For those instances where you want each corner to have a different level of rounding, you'll need to unlink the corner values. You can do this by clicking on the chain icon, which will allow you to enter separate radius values for each individual corner. This flexibility ensures that your design meets all your creative needs. With your shape now looking exactly as you want, it's time to style it. You have several options available to enhance your design. You can fill the shape with a solid color or a gradient, apply a stroke to its edges, or experiment with other styling features available in your software. This final step is all about bringing your vision to life, so don't hesitate to explore the options and see what looks best. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful in guiding you through the basics of creating and customizing shapes with the rectangle tool and rounded rectangle tool. Whether you're new to this process or just brushing up, these steps will surely enhance your design workflow. Happy designing!